Hi wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Georgina from Revlon in the color Toasted Coconut. Now this is a new-ish Revlon color and I think it's kind of fabulous. It's basically like gently rooted and gently tipped, which is pretty sweet. So before I do anything else, I want to talk about this color because it's so cool. This is a 16, 23, 10. So what does all that mean? Well, a 16 is sort of like in this case, it looks like a dark champagne blonde. I mean, it depends on the brand. Sometimes it even depends on the wig. But on this particular color combo, it looks like a dark beige blonde. And that's that base color you see here. It is blended and towards here, so like, you know, about a third of the way down the hair shaft, it starts to become blended and then tipped with the other color, which is a 23, which is sort of like a light, almost like Nordic blonde. So I would consider it in this color, basically like, this is like all the champagne colors sort of mishmash together. So it's like dark champagne here, light champagne at the bottom, and then at the tops, it's basically like a really nice light brown, but it's kind of like almost like a neutral light brown. So really pretty color. It's not super gold, as I've mentioned. Like I said, I would consider almost all of these colors somewhere in the champagne family. Check out how tipped the sides are, because that's not only going to show off the layering of Georgina, but it's also going to show you the dynamics of this color combination. So yeah, it's super pretty color, and this wig is actually super cute, especially if you're into shags. This wig has a 4.5 inch bang. So for me, that's a little long because I got a stubby little forehead, but you know, you might be able to cut it a little shorter if you want it to go straight across, or just sweep it off to the side like I've done here. The crown down, 5.5 inches, and the nape is 4 inches. So it kind of gently hugs the neck. So really good coverage there. And the weight on Georgina is 2.7 ounces. So she's very nice and light. This is a lace front wig. And you can see that that's in the rooted color. So it is not like some color combinations where they make it the lighter color at the front hairline. In this particular case, you're definitely getting more of that brown up here at the front, but it's a light brown, so it's not going to be super jarring. And the knots don't look huge. They actually are really well done. And then I'm actually going to show you more of the monofilament features once I take the cap off, because that's probably the best way to showcase them. So you know what, before I do anything else, let me go ahead and take this cap off so I can do that. So here is the cap on Georgina. This is a monofilament top wig, hooray! And that entire mono top is surrounded with a nice little band of fuzzy felt. There isn't any permatease in this wig, so hooray! We've got open wefts here on the side, open wefts on the back. We do have an extended felt nape, again, hooray! And it does have Velcro adjusters here on the nape, as well as soft felt here on the ear tabs, really, really fuzzy. I want to show you those monofilament features, really nice and up close. And because I'm blind as a bat, that's usually easier for me to do when the wig is off my head and I can part the hair just so. So that's what the part would look like. I mean, you can part it anywhere on the top of this wig. It's definitely made for multi-directional parting with that mono top, but I just want to show you, very nicely threaded wig. And you don't have to trim this lace front at all. It is ready to wear right out of the box. Let's show you this color up close and personal. You can kind of see how dynamic it is with that really luscious soft rooting. And then all these lovely little champagne tones until you get to this beautiful little champagne blonde tip. This is a really cool color. I'm gonna go ahead and put Georgina back on for you now, and we'll take it from there. And there you go. This is the Georgina wig from Revlon in the color Toasted Coconut, which is lovely, and it's very softly rooted and tipped, so it's a really, really cool color combination, though not cool based color. It's not ashy at all. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my wig videos. Hopefully you get something out of them, and if you do, please be sure to check out my wig store. It's just www.cysterwigs.com, also known as CysterWigs. Until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye!